departure to pick up some things. Say hi, honey. So we're going to my parents' house because my car seat got delivered. So we're going to quickly pick that up, and then we're going to my sister's house because she has a chest of drawers that we're taking for the baby's room. They're actually the same drawers that she had in her nursery for Isaac and Riley. So they're just white drawers. They're filthy because they've sat in a shed for 2 years, but that's okay. We're going to clean them up and pop them in the baby's room. I actually really like those drawers, so it's just one less thing I have to buy, which is great. So we're going to go do that now and see my little nephews, and yeah. Hey lovelies, it's a few days later. I've got the chest of drawers in the nursery and they're all cleaned up. I'll give you a better look at them in a minute, but I've just had a shower, washed my hair, got straight back into my PJs and put on some of these Kenzina eye masks. These are literally like, they're my favorite under eye masks. I just, you know, I'm in like deep treat myself relaxation mode. So if I'm not going somewhere, I'm not getting dressed, I'm getting into PJs and loungewear. That's just how I live my life. Look, it's how I've always lived my life, but it's even more so now that I'm pregnant. I'm just trying to enjoy the R&R while I can have it. But I thought today I would show you the chest of drawers. Now I've got them all set up in the bedroom. They are perfect. I love the look of them. And then I'll also show you some things I've purchased that arrived in the mail, like my baby capsule and stuff. So yeah. All right, so here are the drawers. So you may notice I took the top piece, which is like the change table attachment, off. I still have it. It's just in the garage, but I don't think I'm going to personally be using it. Although I don't have my own child, I've been around kids a lot, especially my nephew. And I used to watch them all the time, and I have changed many of their nappies on that change table topper for the actual chest of drawers, and I didn't love it. So my sister used to have like shelves above hers, and then she had the change table attachment and it was up against a wall, and I just found it incredibly difficult when they got older especially to use. So I've opted to take it off for the time being. Like I said, I haven't discarded it just in case I change my mind, but I am going to buy an actual separate change table trolley that has wheels, especially because I'm not sure how long Bub's going to be in our room, and I'd like to have like the change table station in our bedroom as well to start with. So I've got at least both options. If I change my mind and I want to put it back on, I can, but I highly doubt I will. I used to prefer to change the boys' nappies on the floor or on the bed over using the actual attachment topper here, especially when my sister had stuff on the wall and they were toddlers, because they would grab everything. And I actually really want to put a mirror above this chest of drawers. So all Bubba's clothes will go in here. I won't put any of the nappy changing related stuff. That'll all go on the trolley to start with, and this will all just be, yeah, for their clothes. And take these off, I think, because they're kind of annoying me a little bit now. My hair keeps getting caught in them. Disgusting. So I thought I'd show you guys what I decided to pick out for my car seat. So I got a baby capsule, and this is the Maxi Cozy Micro Plus baby capsule. Now when it comes to car seats, there's a heap of different choices, but the two main like distinguishing features you need to look at is whether or not you start off with a baby capsule or you go straight into a regular car seat. So baby capsule you can only use from newborn up until about 6 to 9 months, depending on your bub's weight and size, whilst you can get car seats that start from newborn that go up to 5 years old. So there's something you can use throughout their entire, like from newborn, toddler to even beginning school. So with regular car seats, they're obviously fitted to your car and they stay in your car. With baby capsules, the base stays fitted in the car, but this can actually be detached and lifted in and out, and it can also attach to your pram frame. I just consulted heaps of the women in my life and did a heap of research myself, and I figured my budget allowed for me to start off with a baby capsule, and I think it'll just be so handy to have in those first 6 months that I really wanted one. Obviously it's personal preference. I feel like a baby capsule is a luxury product, not necessarily an essential, if that makes sense. So if you can't afford to have a baby capsule to start with as well as a car seat, don't even stress about it. It's just something that I think would make just little everyday tasks in life a little bit easier. I'm going to get it all out and I'll just show you guys how it works. And I'll also get my pram and I'll like show you how it attaches to my pram frame. You do have to buy special attachment clips separately that actually allow your capsule to attach to the frame. So I've already got those. You just buy them separately from like Baby Kingdom. You can buy them directly from the pram supplier. So I've got a silver cross, and I literally bought the attachments when I bought my pram. So yeah, easy done. So I'll get this all unboxed and I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is like the actual base part that sits in the car. I don't know how this actually attaches to the seat. I'll have to get it installed properly. We'll figure out how to actually install it in the car when I actually get a car I can install it in. For those who don't know, I'm actually going to have to get a new car, I'm pretty sure. I might not have to straight away. If this fits in my CX-3 and I can stand just my pram frame up on the side, then we may have the solution for a little while, at least until like my car loan runs out. So that's good. I'll have to play with it and see. Oh my god, I'm just envisioning like walking out of the hospital with the baby in this. That's so exciting. Okay, let me go get my pram frame and I'll show you guys how it attaches to the actual pram frame. My pram, the actual bassinet just unclips super easily. So you just got two little clips there and lift it off. So I have the attachments that I ordered when I ordered my pram just in this box, and it does actually specify what side each clip goes into. So this says left side and this says right side, and they clip like that. And then when you sit your capsule into the pram frame, the baby has to be facing you as well, like that. Easy. Got that extra shade bit. So that's perfect. So let's say I'm going to my mum's for a coffee and we decide we want to go for a little stroll. Instead of having to get out the pram or disturb a sleeping baby or whatever, you can just leave them in the capsule and attach it to your pram frame and you're good to go. How good is that? Just got to show Daddy. So little.
So it's going to have a little muffin in there.
Little muffin boo-boo honey childs. Mimi, do you want to go in it?
No.
Test it out.
She's like, get me out of here, Mum. It's child abuse. Daddy will get you out of there. You don't have to do things like that.
Oh. It goes in the cup and then the seat clips into that. Literally, they're on the front.
I was thinking that, but it's so mushy.
They're so mushy.
Like,
oh, that's so easy. Honey, come practice. You're walking out of hospital with the newborn baby.
Put Lily in there. I'll show you. She'll go freaking out. That's pretty heavy, to be honest.
Yeah, it's going to be heavy with a baby. If you lift it like that with my child in it,
I will every day.
Heads will roll. Okay, so that's the actual car seat like attached to the base that's going to be in the car too, and it just lifts out by using the little handle on the back. Once I actually have it set up in the car, I will show you guys, and I'll do like a proper in-depth review of it if you like when I actually have baby and I've used it for a bit, just so you guys can get like a better idea. I feel like it is going to get quite heavy, like it'll be fine with a 1-month-old, but I think once you get above like a couple months old, it'll be quite heavy to lug around. So you wouldn't want to be carrying it through town or anything like that. But I think just the portability factors and the fact you can clip it into your pram frame, or you can just take it inside the house if you've got a sleeping baby in it, is really great. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on that. So I figured I'd quickly show you guys some of the purchases we've made and also some of the gifts we've received. So Brett and I got this little book for Bubsy because we saw it. We just thought it was so cute. It's called The Scruffy Puppy. It's from Seed Kids, and it's about a puppy teddy that's very well loved and worn to bits. So I thought that was really cute. Then Bretty picked out this gorgeous little horse. So it's like a fabric horse, and it's from an Australian company. This is their name, and you can find them on Instagram, and we just thought it was so pretty and nice and gender neutral. I found these shoes in amongst my sister's leftover baby things from when Isaac and Riley were bubbers. So we snagged them because they have never been worn. They're brand new and we thought they were cute, so we took them home. So I ended up getting one of these fetal dopplers, so you can listen to the baby's heartbeat with this. Now, before I go into it any further, I just want to make a really clear disclaimer because I got absolutely thrashed about this on Instagram. So I just want to make sure it's really clear and that you guys hear me loud and clear. This is just for fun. It does not replace a medical professional. So if for any reason you ever think there's anything wrong with your baby, you need to make sure you consult your doctor, your midwife, or go to the emergency room. Do not rely on this to ensure the safety of your baby. This is literally a glorified toy that you can just happen to hear your baby's heartbeat with. That's all it is. It does not replace a medical professional. And please, if you ever think there's anything wrong with your baby or yourself, you go to the hospital, you speak to your doctor, or you speak to your midwife. I got this just for fun, just to be able to listen to baby's heartbeat at home. It is actually kind of hard to distinguish baby's heartbeat because the blood flowing through your placenta actually sounds very similar to a heartbeat. So I'm not sure if I'm using it correctly yet or not. I might just show you a glimpse of it. Such a flattering angle, I know. But I'm just going to try and see if I can get this to work. So it came with ultrasound solution. You might be able to hear Lily eating her dry food at the moment too. She's literally just over there chowing down. So it's just literally like they have these at the doctors. I'm sure theirs are much higher quality than this, but .147, so I'm pretty sure this is baby's heartbeat. So they say your placenta, the blood sound is more of a whoosh, but a heartbeat's more of a gallop. I'm pretty sure it's a heartbeat. Yeah, 145 is the heart rate. I've lost it now. I've lost it now, but you guys get the gist. I'm pretty sure that was the heartbeat. Oh. Like I said, doesn't replace a medical professional, but it sure is fun to be able to like listen to that at home just randomly. So it's like the 4th time I've used it. I don't think I said earlier, my doctor said it's fine to use. I had someone message me who said their midwife said not to use it, and I think some medical professionals, the issues they have with it is that it's hard to distinguish the difference between the blood flow and the heartbeat, and they don't want you to use this in replace of them checking on your baby's health. I can't wait to actually show my nephews it because I know they're really excited to hear the baby's heartbeat and see this, so that'll be fun to show them. So I'll definitely record that when I do. One of my best friends, Chelsea, her mum gave this to Brett and I for a little baby gift for the bubba, which is so cute, so I'm sure they're gonna love that. Then I got this present from my sister. It's a little Converse onesie and socks. And we got some more little sockies. Then another friend got us a Metallica jumper, which is so cute. Then we also got one of those little sets, but it's a Michael Jordan basketball set. So it's got like the onesie, the socks, and a little beanie. Then we got some more clothes in here. So Harry, who's one of our best friends, so he is a part owner in Restated Vintage, and they also now have Restated Vintage Kids, and he gave Brett this vintage Bulls jersey for the bub. I feel like this is all kind of looking like heaps boyish type of thing, but you know, boy or girl, they're still gonna rock this stuff, especially basketball jerseys, because Bretty is obsessed with basketball, especially Chicago Bulls. So he literally like got all choked up when Harry gave him this. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So Bubsy and Daddy will be twinning in their Bulls jerseys. Then my sister got me some clothes from Seed Kids. Seed Kids is probably one of my favourite places for kitty clothes. They're just so beautiful. Got that onesie. Got this one. I love this sage green colour. I think it's so beautiful. And this burnt orange colour as well. Oh, it's like a copper brown. It's so stunning. There's a little pair of pants that go with that too. Here they are. So these are for obviously when Bub's a little bit bigger. I don't think there's really much point buying too many newborn clothes because they grow pretty quickly. So these are all like 6 to 12 months sizing type of thing, apart from these little jumpsuits and this little jumper here. And then Brett's mum, who is one of Bubby's nanas, got these beautiful little Peter Rabbit toys, and they're not so cute. It's a little bunny rabbit and a little duck. So cute. And then Brett got these little Adidas joggers forever ago, which I've already posted on Instagram if you guys haven't seen. They're so cute. So I think that's all the stuff so far. Yeah. So I'm actually 18 weeks at the time of filming this, but I did film a little 15-week bump update, which I didn't get to include in a vlog. So I'm going to insert that now just so you guys can see my little bump at 15 weeks. And then I'm going to end the video with my 18-week bump as well. I feel like I'm finally starting to see like little Bubba growing. I'm getting a little tiny bump. It's so tiny. I thought I'd be way bigger by now. But yeah, it's lovely to see. Like every morning I wake up and I check in the mirror, and just to see like my tummy getting that little bit more rounded. It's just nice to know that like obviously Bubba's growing. And yeah, next week we have our 19-week scan, so I will definitely keep you guys posted with how that goes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs it up if you did. It's kind of just like one big haul, but I love all the baby things, so I hope you guys are enjoying me sharing them. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll be chatting to you guys in the comment section and in the next video. Bye!